On this exercise, you're going to combine the Esquiva Recuada, Esquiva Invertida straight into the dive bridge. Okay, now that you have seen the move, let me break down step by step for you. So right leg behind, so everything's going to my right. So my Esquiva Recuada to my right, hands flat and solid. When I change to my Esquiva Invertida, keep your knees bent, your legs in line, keep your chest low, you don't want to be upright. And you can dive straight into it, or you can just walk your way into the bridge first, and you can just bring your hips down first to start with and to warm up as well if you're not very flexible on your back. And walk back into the Ginga position, and let's go onto the left side straight away. So as you practice, so you step into the Esquiva Recuada on the left, Esquiva Invertida, and now I can try to extend my walks a little bit more, so less steps on the hand, and I can start to dive a little bit further down with my bridge. So I keep practicing on the other side, so right, and now I'm gonna dive a little bit more so I can fall into the bridge a little bit more and start to generate momentum. But take your time. The more you do this, the easier it becomes, the more flexibility and coordination and strength you get used to it. Eventually, the more I do it, I'm gonna try on one push from the bridge, trying to get back to the Ginga position.